G'day, it's Aussie Dollar Man here. This is FX trading in 69 seconds. Disclaimer, FX trading involves risks. It's not for everybody. In FX trading, you're always trading one currency against another. If you're confused by what the numbers mean, you're not alone. I was too when I started out. The easiest way is to open a broker's platform and punch in some numbers and see. So on the Australian dollar, US dollar, if we buy at 6364 and we buy $10,000, that's 10,000 Australian dollars. If you're confused with the numbers, I like to just wipe off the first and the last digit. Now we're trading 6364. If it goes up by 1 point, we make $1 US. If it goes down by a point, we lose $1 US. If I put a stop loss order at 63.50, that's 14 ticks away, which means I would lose $14 if stopped out. And if I put a profit target at 67 cents, I would make $336 US if I'm right. The pip value for every $1 US is $1.57 Australian, and I need $333 of margin to stay in this trade. There'll be a financing charge if I hold overnight. This changes every day depending on the interest rates. How do you trade FX? One name, WD Gant. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to learn more.